Today's guest is getting a new install. We're doing 18 inches and we're even adding in a couple micro K-tips for some extra fullness around her face. Lisa previously was struggling with some hair loss. She has been with me for 9 months now, so we've been able to make quite a big transformation and growth. As you can see here, her sides were quite a bit shorter when she first came to me, and she was actually not even coloring her hair at that time because she was just so scared of damaging it further. But little by little, as we started working together and I felt the health of her hair was improving, we were able to spice things up and give her a little bit of color. And this video was actually from her first initial install, and she's the cutest little tiniest human ever. So 14s look so long on her, but we're ditching the 14s and we're taking her to 18s. So you want to stay tuned to see the after, because let me tell you, it's incredible. We are saying goodbye to 14 inches and hello to 18 inches. Oh, and did I mention we're completely switching up her color too? For this install, my co-stylist prepped some K-tips. It was important to me that the bond itself wasn't clear and that it was actually going to be brown and more matte when she was wearing them. We actually prepped a lot of the color beforehand, so then day of, all we had to do was color her natural hair and then install the extensions. So freaking easy. Once her rows were installed, then we went in with the cut, and this is where the magic happens. My guest has been waiting for the moment that she could have that brighter, more bold, fun hair that she's used to, all while giving her the length that she's dreamed of while protecting her natural hair.